Hello, welcome to Dragon Eats. Today I'll be making baby bok choy stir fry. It's super easy, it's super healthy, and it's super delicious. Bok choy is my favorite vegetable. It's not a leafy vegetable like spinach. It's also not a starchy vegetable like broccoli. It's somewhere in between. It's green and it has amazing texture. I have some bok choy here that's just washed and dried. I'm just gonna halve these. Tear apart some dried chili into smaller pieces. Chop up a few cloves of garlic. And now we're ready to cook. Drizzle some oil on the hot wok. Now let's add in the pepper flakes and the chopped garlic. Cook them until they are fragrant. This should only take a few seconds. Then let's add in the bok choy. Stir them around and cook them evenly. After about 20 seconds, add some water along the edge of the wok and stir them around. Now let's add in some soy sauce. We don't need to add any salt because the soy sauce already has the salt and it should be more than enough. Add some chicken concentrate to provide the delicious umami that we need. And also some oyster sauce. Keep stirring for about 10 seconds so everything gets a good mix. Then we turn heat to medium and put on the lid and let the bok choy cook for about 2 more minutes. For about every 15 seconds, take off the lid and check if there is enough water in the wok, and stir them around so the bottom does not get burned. And feel free to add more water if the wok is dry. This is not a dry dish. We want to make sure the bok choy is cooked with a combination of boiling and steaming. And now we're ready to serve. It's very easy to make, it's good for your body, and it's very flavorful. I'm sure you'll love it. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell so you never miss a video in the future. I have a lot of amazing, authentic Chinese home cooking recipes coming up. Please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.